how to buy from Yupoo. So here's how it works. First, you will need to find a seller. So every seller is going to have a unique link. I'll just go search for Yupoo sellers, and you can look for sellers here on Reddit or other lists. I'll just do this one as an example because it's the first one that pops up. You will need to go to their specific website. Now here you can see a list of their products which they sell. If I scroll down a little bit, let's say that I want to purchase this jacket. You will just go into the link itself here for this specific item, and I will just change this. Now here, as you can see, we have the link. You want to copy this link, right click and copy this link, and then you need to use a provider such as CNFans, or a supplier, sorry, such as CNFans. There are other ones that you can use as well, but I'll use CNFans for this video. Now you will need to paste the product link here, so I'm just going to click on it and press Ctrl+V, and then you will click on submit. Now what it's going to do is it's going to ask us to sign into our account. So I'll just log in real quick. Okay, and once you have been signed in, it is going to look like this. The product name, now you need to go back and copy this product name, puffer jacket, and you paste it. The product link, again, we will copy this link and we will paste it. Specifications are not needed. Images, you can get the images from the supplier here and you can upload them. And here's where you will need to put the unit price. You can get it from the item itself if there's a price set on it. So we will just fill this out. And the domestic shipping, you can use CNFans website here, estimation, to calculate how much this is going to cost. And once you calculate it, you will get the number from here and put it in the domestic shipping field. Now next, you can either add to cart or buy now. If you click on buy now, also you have to agree here. So if you click on buy now, it's going to take us to the next page. You can read more information about it. Oops, sorry, I'm just going to click on here and buy now. Okay, so it just removed the entirety of our field information here. So I will have to do it again, copy, paste, and the link as well. All right, now we click on buy now. Okay, so click on confirm and it's gonna look like this, and it's gonna calculate the price and the destination. Here you will choose where you want this shipped to, and you basically just gotta review the information. I have read and agree. You click on buy now, you pay for the product, and then you can track your shipping. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.